Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on customer feedback. Before we proceed any further, do note that we publish 3 marketing videos daily on YouTube, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with what is customer feedback. Customer feedback is a proclamation of opinion that the consumers of a business provide about their brand, product or service. This can either be in a written format or a verbal format. To define, the problems, input, perception and information about your company, services or products shared by consumers with your company is known as customer feedback. Let's look at the importance of customer feedback. Customer feedback steer your company towards growth and inform you of your areas of improvement. Considering consumer feedbacks can improve every aspect of a company. The aspects of improvement in your products are pointed out by feedbacks. Acknowledging feedbacks give consumers a sense of involvement and importance. Personal guidance is created by positive feedbacks. Moving on, new customers can be gained with the help of feedback. Feedbacks help build brand loyalty. Feedbacks also increase customer satisfaction. Since loyal customers continue using the company's products and repeat purchases, their value is 10 times higher than it just during their first purchase. Hence, customer satisfaction and brand loyalty are important. Moving on to the 5 golden rules of customer feedback. First, providing customer feedback must be made uncomplicated. Second, concurrent feedback must be pursued. Third, every chance must be explored to gain feedback from customers. Fourth, positive and negative feedback must be sought diligently. And fifth, existing technology must be taken advantage of and used to help gain feedback. Example, Tesla customers speak directly to Elon Musk on Twitter and give their feedback about Tesla models. Moving on to the customer feedback methods. First, customer feedback form. Second, customer feedback surveys. Third, email. Fourth, customer interviews. Fifth, social media, as in Facebook and Instagram reactions. Sixth, on-site activity via website analytics. Seventh, instant feedback from your website. Eighth, long-form based surveys. Ninth, the one that is very popular, is short in-app surveys. 10th, understanding the Net Promoter Score survey. Now moving on to how to collect customer feedback on Instagram. First, the tools on Instagram stories must be used. For instance, question sticker. The customers have a chance of asking direct questions to a brand with the help of question stickers. Second, poll sticker. Poll stickers are an uncomplicated way of gathering feedback from a community. Third, quiz sticker. Quiz polls are a miniature version of surveys. Fourth, slider sticker. This is another tool for gathering valuable feedback from a community. And fifth, DM me sticker. The DM me sticker on Instagram is a more intimate approach to gathering feedback. Next, questions must be asked in your captions. A good caption, although not easy to create, is the most efficient way to motivate a community to provide brands with their valuable feedback. Question posts and captions can prove to be an amazing way of igniting discussions within the community. At the same time, it can be an opportunity for brands to gather feedback from the community. This makes it a mutually beneficial phenomenon. Third, and the very popular, user-generated content must be motivated. A visually attractive Instagram feed can be created and designed with the help of user-generated content. Brands can receive very useful feedback with the help of UGC. They will also have a visual on the content that the community created related to the brand. This is also a great way for brands to get an understanding of their products that are the most popular among consumers. Brands can thus understand the perspective of users and their products with the help of branded hashtags. Fourth, captivating video content must be generated. IGTV series is an example of captivating video content. They make your brand more relatable. They verbally motivate people to participate in conversations and to provide feedback. Fifth, influencers must be partnered with. Collaboration with influencers have various benefits. They increase the reach of your brand by presenting them to more consumers. A feed post on Instagram can be used to introduce your brand and product to the audience and create awareness. The comments on the feed post can be analyzed to get feedback from the audience. If the influencer a brand collaborates with is a target customer, the collaboration becomes more genuine and the video is more natural. In such cases, it gets easier for the influencer to talk to the audience and the promotion becomes more successful. Next, polls must be created. The interaction between Instagrammers becomes more frequent with the Instagram's new polling feature. At the same time, this is a way of brands collecting feedback. 7th, brand mentions must be kept an eye on. Consumers have the full freedom to express their opinions of a brand in the digital era. Brands that are being spoken about are tagged by consumers that share their feedback and experiences with other followers. It is a way for brands to understand their reputation. It keeps the brand in the loop of conversation and feedback. On getting a tag notification, a brand must try to read the comments, understand them, and the context that the user mentions the brand in. And finally, let's look at customer feedback examples. The first being the example of T-Mobile. 80,000 people have posted breakup letters and dumped their carrier for the T-Mobile. In 2014, T-Mobile, the number phone telecom operator that billed itself as the Un-carrier, launched a website where rival customers can pen breakup letters to their current carriers. The campaign asked customers to dump their various carriers and switch to T-Mobile, and to post a photo of themselves holding a breakup letter addressed to their old carrier. More than 80,000 such photos, like the two above, were posted on various social media networks. And the next example, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's tequila, Teremana. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is leveraging the power of user-generated content as a marketing collateral to promote his tequila, Teremana. According to reports, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's Teremana tequila is breaking records just in its first year. You will often find Rock sharing feedback from customers in video content on his Instagram page. Well, that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on customer feedback. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel, where you will witness 3 new videos daily. Thank you and see you in the next video.